Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've clicked on this video, most likely you have a website and you're looking to boost its performance for better SEO and Google ranking. But maybe you've struggled to make it happen, and that's why you're here. Well, fear not, I'm here to help you out. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can increase your website speed using the WP Rocket WordPress plugin. With WP Rocket, you can effortlessly enhance your website's speed and performance. With just a few simple adjustments, you'll be able to increase your website speed in seconds. And guess what? Stick around until the end of the video, because I'll provide you with a file so you can easily import the same settings I use on my website into yours. Let's dive in and turbocharge your website together. Now, before we start tweaking the settings, I want to mention that if you're looking to optimize your website speed, but don't have the time or expertise to do it yourself, you can check out my Fiverr gig where I provide professional website speed optimization services. I'll leave the link in the description below, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. All right, with that out of the way, let's jump into the best settings for WP Rocket and optimize your website for maximum speed and performance. Let's get started. At this point, your main goal is to optimize or increase your website speed easily and as soon as possible, and you don't want to learn or edit plugin settings. So don't worry. Here, I will provide a free, simple JSON file that will help you import the best settings to your website in seconds. But before we jump into the optimization process, make sure to take a backup of your website. If you're unsure how to do this, don't worry, we've got you covered. Check out the link in the description below for our other video where we walk you through the step-by-step process of taking a backup. First things first, head over to your website dashboard and install and activate the WP Rocket plugin. If you don't have it yet, you can visit our website, wordpresshub.net, where you'll find WP Rocket with a license key at a cheap price. Now, let's download the settings JSON file to import the settings. Click on the link in the description below. But remember, you need to subscribe to our channel first before downloading. Once subscribed, download the file and extract it. After you've installed the plugin and downloaded the file, go to the WP Rocket settings page. Scroll down and click on Tools. Here, you'll find options like Export Settings, Import Settings, and others. We're going to use the Import Settings option to import our best settings to your website. Click on Choose File and select the JSON file you downloaded from our website. Then, click on Upload File and Import Settings. And it's done. Now you have the best WP Rocket settings on your website. I can guarantee your website speed will reach 80 plus if you're using the GeneratePress theme and these settings. But if your website still has a bad score, check the errors it has and watch our other videos about fixing those errors to further improve your website speed. And there you have it, folks. By following these simple steps, you've optimized your website speed without the hassle of tweaking plugin settings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy optimizing.